a rare oceanfront canvas for modern coastal living. Introducing Brisas 5 in Brisas Cabo corridor. This 6-bedroom, 7,118 square foot, 2026 new construction residence within the gated enclave of Cabo del Sol presents a refined vision of Los Cabos lifestyle. Anchored by floor-to-ceiling glass that frames sweeping Sea of Cortez views, the home is organized around an open 2-story plan that pairs effortless circulation with high-end finishes and a chef's kitchen outfitted for serious entertaining. Seamless indoor-outdoor living unfolds across expansive terraces and a resort-style pool and jacuzzi terrace with integrated barbecue and fire feature, complemented by private garden moments and generous covered loggias for year-round sunset enjoyment. Thoughtful touches continue with premium mechanicals, a secure gated approach, 2-car garage, and dedicated storage, all set against the community's golf and dining amenities and 24-hour guarded privacy. Concrete construction and contemporary lines create a lasting, low-maintenance composition built for elegant comfort and memorable gatherings. Private tours available this week. Link in the description to book.